Company values are the central underlying philosophies that guide a business and its employees. BUPE lets you create and manage your organizational values and create appraisals to appraise employees based on those values in order to find their culture fit. This is the Organizational Values for the Year section. In the Preferences, you can select relevant company and operating year you want to target. In order to create new organizational values, select the Add Org Values action in the Actions menu. Then enter values and their descriptions. Click Save button to finalize. The table below shows all the values created for this company, description of those values, and the weights of each of them. Weights are used to derive the overall value rating of employees by taking the weighted average. In order to configure which values to be used for the selected period, select Configure Org Values for the Year action from the Actions menu. Then enter weights for the values you want to use for the selected period and click Save button. The total weight should add up to 100% to continue. The table is updated with the weights you just configured. You can delete an organizational value which is not being used from the system by clicking the Delete button in front of it. Note that you cannot delete the values which are being used in any of the operating years. You can update value name or description by editing them on the table itself. This is the Appraisal Dates section. You can create appraisal dates which the employees of your organization can perform appraisals on. To create appraisal dates, select Create Org Values Appraisal Dates action from the Actions menu. Then enter names and dates. Finally, click Save button to finalize. Appraisal dates created will appear in the table below. You can delete an appraisal date by clicking on the respective delete icon. Note that if there are any appraisals already performed on that date, you cannot delete it. The appraisals you have created will appear in Organizational Values Appraisals section of all employees to perform appraisals.